Hello everyone, my name is Nurul Kamarina Afrika binti Zakaria. My metric number is 2023299812. My team members are Balkis binti Zainal, Elia Natasha binti Muhammad Zainal, and Siti Nurnajiha binti Mustafa. Our group choose the ice cream shop, and since most of the Malaysians are already aware of the existence of this firm, the company that we decided to do is MOKTI Ice Cream. So we will start with the background of the business, which is the details about their business. The business that we choose, as I stated before, is MOKTI. MOKTI is one of the unique ice cream match with the sweetness of a granulate sugar that has become quite a lot of fans of it. For your information, this company is proprietorship. Okay, to the best of everyone knowledge, this business is handled by a wonderful woman named Puan Siti Fatimah binti Adnan, who is also the founder of MOKTI and has been supported by her husband, Mr. Muhammad Adil bin Awang Iskandar Zulkarnain. MOKTI Ice Cream has been operational for 4 years since 2019. MOKTI company is running a licensing business model, or also known as LBM, that governed by the licensing agreement. Okay, we move to the location of the business. As for 2023, MOKTI Ice Cream have 85 branches in just 4 years, but our group, mainly focus on Puncak Alam branch. It's located at number 23, ground floor, Bandar Hill Park, Jalan Pinang 4/1, Bandar Puncak Alam 42300, Puncak Alam, Selangor. The location is quite strategic because the company is nearly the Puncak Alam town and residential area, and also the UITM Puncak Alam area. The capital contribution, or owner's capital, was a source capital from family. The owner, Puan Siti Fatimah binti Adnan, has made an investment of 5,000 ringgit Malaysia on 2019 and immediately began purchasing a manual machine and a place to set it up for the first time. Okay, next, the business activity. In her position as a founder of ice cream services, Puan Siti Fatimah provide a variety of palm sugar products manufactured from the Nipah palm snack. The food and service that they provide will be the highest quality and will feature the freshest ingredients possible. They will also provide a broad variety of flavors and toppings that are ensured to make a positive impression for all customers. Other than that, they also provide food delivery service such as a Foodpanda, Grab, and Shopee Food. The price of the product is starting from RM1.50 to RM21 based on the cup size and the type of dessert.
Hello, my name is Elia Natasha binti Muhammad Zainal, and my normal student is 2023885406. Today, I want to continue about characteristic of MOKTI. So, as an entrepreneur has the necessary character traits to achieve a profit. So, this is one of the characteristics of an entrepreneur who has established a MOKTI. So the first one is Smart. Smart make a strategy for luring more people who love sweet food and beverage, such as popsicles, matcha bond drinks, matcha honeycomb ice cream, and others. And the number 2 is willing to take risks, not hasty in making decisions with expanding the empire of MOKTI'S ice cream. 3. Creative and innovative. So, MOKTI, they are doing R&D for the ice cream made from liquid sugar extract from the nipah palms sap and called as gula apam. So, to develop a business requires high discipline in order to expand the market.
Hi, thank you to Elia for the explanation. Now I would like to explain about business item in the business Mokti ice cream. Before I explain about it, I divide by 5. What is this? That is asset, capital, liability, revenues, and expenses. Asset defined as property owned by a business and used to conduct business. Assets are classification into two, we call it current asset and non-current asset. Current asset is property that can be converted into cash in the short term, not less than 1 year. For example, current asset is cash on hand, account receivable. Mokti ice cream have current asset which is cup, plastic spoon, ice cream, sauce flavor, and chocolate, which is for their topping. Next, non-current asset is purchase, not for resale, but used to help run in the business. For example of non-current asset is vehicle, furniture. Mokti ice cream have non-current asset, which is ice cream machine, freezer, and also cashier for their business. What is liability? Liability is business debt to external parties. Liability exists because the business buys stock of merchandise from supplier, buys non-current asset, or obtain loan from external parties such as bank. Mokti business have motor vehicle for her ice cream delivery. Liabilities are divided into two. There is liability and non-current liability. Current liability is business debt that need to be settled in the short term within an accounting period, such as account payable, overdraft. Non-current liabilities is a debt that can be settled in the long time, more than 1 year. For example of current liability are bank loan and mortgage. Next is revenue. Revenue is business income in the form of money received or to be received on a certain date as a result of the sale of merchandise or service offered. Are expenses that have been issued by the company such as cost payment, supplier, bill payment, and so on. Mokti revenues is also 1 year profit for Mokti is 50,000. In general, capital is an important component in carrying out the daily operation of a business and to finance its future growth in value. Business capital can come from business operations themselves or debt. Mokti ice cream cut capital source from saving account and family. Also, next is expenses. Expenses are type of cash flow that is translated through the income statement, which is will deducted from revenue sale to get net income. Mokti got expenses to advertising like marketing, utility bills, salaries, and wage. So that's all from me. Thank you.
So, I want to continue the recording process. The recording process and account is a record of increases and decreases in specific asset, liability, and owner's equity items. So this is have 6 recording process that Mokti use. For the first one is the cash book. So for the cash book, this is record the amount paid into and out of the bank account Mokti. And second, the petty cash book. This record a small amount of cash paid for day-to-day expenses, such as buying kitchen appliances for Mokti. And third, the sales day book records the sales invoice issued to credit customer in Mokti. And the number 4 is the purchases day book. This is for record the purchase in invoice received from supplier. And number 5 is the junior correcting errors. The junior correcting errors in Mokti are first record. And the number 6 is the quick responses code. The quick responses code is now like QR. This for record financial transaction by the QR code. So it helps facilitate customers without having to carry money. That all recording process that Mokti use during operation.
I will continue with my presentation, that is strength and weakness of MOKTI'S. MOKTI'S use QR code pay and also cash transaction. Both of them have their own strength and weakness. And for QR code pay, strength is customer can get a faster transaction because they don't need to use their card, credit or pay cash to pay. Instead, they use their smartphone to transfer their money. This QR pay also convenience because it is easy for the youngster and also older people to use. MOKTI'S use QR pay because QR pay can give a digital record keeping, and it is highly secure as they use encryption and token signature to protect customer information. And lastly, QR pay can track the progress easily because the QR code pay have a digital recording. Weakness of QR code pay is limit its adoption or usage. QR code payments are susceptible to technical issues such as poor network connectivity or scanning errors, which can result in transaction failures, and it is not really convenient for the customer. Also, QR codes dependency on technology. If the customer don't have their phone or other device with them, they cannot pay the ice cream that they buy. So now is strength and weakness of cash transaction in MOKTI'S business. Cash transaction strength is it is widely accepted even in MOKTI'S and others business because of all the people that don't know how to use QR code pay, they can use cash transaction to pay for their things that they buy. And with using cash transaction, they don't have to pay interest charges because they pay in full payment. So if you pay in full payment, you don't have to pay for interest charges. Cash and transaction weakness is it is less secure because cash is a physical thing. So when the customer gives the employees the cash, and the cash will save in this cash box, and when someone want to rob your shop, they can easily get the cash because the cash box is not really secure, and you will lose a lot of money. Cash transaction also limited record keeping because if you because the cash box cannot really record the transaction, and it is not like QR code pay that can have all the transaction record in the QR code payment website. It is also less convenient because if you don't have a cash on your hand, so you cannot buy the thing that you want, and you have to cash out your money from the bank, and it is also not safe for the customer. That's all from me. Thank you.